India, the largest democracy in the world, with the highest population of youth in a single country. Upon the shoulders of these young men and women lies the destiny of India.
In 2005, when we started the first school in the country to develop the future politicians, MIT School of Government, what way this school can contribute, and we are talking about making change and educated youth must come in politics. That was our motto in the year 2005. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is a platform which is like a breeding ground for the future politicians of India.
We can be lovable girlfriends and boyfriends. We can be outstanding general secretaries of our colleges. Then why not a responsible, willing and a politics-friendly citizen of this nation?
This is the change which is required. This is the change which is going to change the way politics is in this country.
I congratulate the MIT School of Government and Sri Rahul Karad for the concept of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad.
This democracy in India can deliver a lot.
Great honor to be here speaking at this Indian Students' Parliament.
I salute you because you are going to be the builder of this great nation.
All of you can work together to create a context whereby there need not be poverty in this country.
So I would urge all the youth out there to start thinking in constructive terms. How do we change society and make it a better place? And maybe the best place to start is to change ourselves.
Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is an open classroom of over 10,000 student leaders who learn from eminent personalities from different fields, who guide them on how they can participate in nation building.
Work with integrity and succeed with integrity.
ये देश तुम्हारा अपना है, इसका ownership आज लेना पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
We should use our intelligence, our common sense, and with sense of responsibility.
The answer lies in recognizing the power that we have.
The young people of India are showing us that they do not lack in enthusiasm, idealism, sacrifice, passion, fervor, and a deep commitment to the future of the country.
We can! We can!
So we will and we must save the planet.
Opportunity for youth in this globalized era.
You young people here gathered in this extraordinary assembly, say it. Yes, we can. Come on. We can.
Every one of you can join this politics and build a new India.
Which is what we call giving a voice to the voiceless.
There is no force on earth mightier than an idea whose time has come.
Perhaps in students in one forum like this from every part of the country, I commend each one of you for taking your time.
Dear students, I'm delighted to address young people and students on the occasion of Indian Student Parliament.
Push for progress, mobilize for change, advocate for what you know.
Rivalry for what are seen as limited resources. That is what we have to start trying to change.
I am very honored and I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk to India's up-and-coming leaders.
Today, youth are the solution to these challenges. We need you to act as global citizens.
We welcome your efforts to train and encourage active participation in democratic processes by the youth of India, the world's largest democracy.
Well, with great admiration, I'm very impressed by the way the whole thing has been organized to bring the young people of India together.
The convening of this parliament will help recognize the important role the youth can play in the overall development of our region.
We have much in common, and we in the UK have much to learn from you as student leaders in India, with the Indian Student Parliament represents an incredibly exciting movement for change.
For 3 days, the students are exposed to enriching life-sharing experiences
Youth is the one who is going to be the future tomorrow, and for the country's prosperity and development, it is necessary that we also work in politics.
We, the student leaders of India, pledge to participate in constructive political process